Cents. See what it does. Done. Hey, hold and spin. All right, all right, all right. Here we go. Come on, give me something good. Any kind of word. Oh no, we don't want to start out like that. It's your girl. Hook me up. Hook me up with some words now. Don't be like that. Come on, boo. Thank you. More words. Hey. Oh, we could do the grand now. I haven't gotten a grand in a while. It's been about 2 years now. All right. Yeah, it's doing good. Keep playing that back. All right, 160. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button.